Welcome to T1 Academy. In our last session, we discussed the concept of calendars. So, in this session, we are going to discuss the previous year's questions from the concept called calendar. Okay. Next, in our next videos, we will make one more video. We will discuss some of the questions from the clocks as well as calendars together. Okay. So, by that, we will finish this clocks and calendars. Now, see here, students, when it comes to the question, if the third day of a month is Monday, okay, which one of the following will be fifth day of from the 21st of this Monday? Okay. Now see here, third day of a month is Monday, right? Third is Monday. Okay, that is clearly given for us in the question. Okay, next, which one of the following will be the fifth day from 21st of this month? Fifth day from 21st of this month means what? 21st. So, first 22nd, 23rd, 24, 25 and 26. That means indirectly they are asking us what day will fall on 26th of that month. Why? Because that will be the fifth day. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth day will become what for me? 26th of that month. And they clearly mentioned that third is Monday. If third is Monday, when we will have the next Monday? Plus 7, right? So, 10th we will have Monday. Next, when we will have the next Monday? 17th we will have the next Monday. Next, when we will have the next Monday? 24th it will become what? Monday. If 24th is Monday, tell me what will be 26th? 26th will be Wednesday. 26th will be Wednesday. So, we can write our answer as Wednesday here. Wednesday here. So, read the question carefully and then accordingly try to write the answer. Next, which date of June 2099 among the following is Sunday? So, already in my previous session, I told you which day means we don't know actually which day will fall. If I know what day is 1st June 2099, then easily I can say that, okay, what day will be on Sunday among these 4 days. So, what I am going to do here is, I will try to find what is 1st June 2099. So, 2099 falls under which century? 2001 to 2100. This is 21st century. Okay, good. Plus in the same year, how many years are already finished? In the same year already 98 years are finished, right? 98 years are completely finished. And 1st of June. I need to find what is 1st of June. So 1st of June. So 2001 to 2100. What is the century code? Already I told you. How you will find the centuries? We will go to the nearest century leap year. What it is? 2000. So at 2000 the odd days will become what? 0. So the 0 will come code as for which century? 2001 to, that is 21st century 2100. So the century code for 2001 to 2100 is what? 0. Plus in 98 years how many leap years we will have? We will have 24 leap years. We will have 24 leap years. And how many normal years we will have here? 74. 74 normal years plus 1st of June. Okay, good, finished. Now 24 leap years means one leap year contains 2 odd days. So 24 into 2, 48 plus 74 only plus 1st of June, right? In 99. So I need to go from January to June. January 3. This is the code for January. February 0. Why? Because 2099 is not a leap year. March 3. April 2. May 3. And we are calculating the 1st of June. So I will take 1 directly. This one is 1st of June. This is 1st of June. I will take directly 1st of June. Now please see here, students. Already I told you we can cancel the 7 sums here. So 1 with 48, total sum will become 49 and it is a multiple of 7. So I can cancel it. Next year I will be left with 4. Why? Because 70 is a multiple of 7. Next this 4 and this 3 combinedly becomes 7. I will remove that one also. Next year 3, 3 and here 1. I will be left with 1. So, at last what I got here? 1. 1 means what? Monday. That means 1st June 2099 is what for me? Monday. 1st June 2099 is what? Monday. Now tell me when I will have Sunday here. If 1st June is Monday, 1st is Monday, when we will have the Sunday? We will have Sunday on the 7th. We will have Sunday on 7th. How I am telling here is directly when I will have the next Monday on 8th, right? Plus 7 I will do. On 8th I will have next Monday. So what is the day before Monday? Sunday. So on 7th of June 2099 we will have Sunday. 7th of June 2099 we will have Sunday. Understood? Right. Next one. If second and fourth Saturdays and all the Sundays are taken as only holidays of an office, what would be the minimum number of possible working days of any month of any year? Any month of any year. Usually tell me what is the minimum number of days we will have in any year? In any year. 28 days, right? Why? Because the least days we will have February. February month will have the least days, least number of days for us here. Now, to get the minimum number of working days in any year, in any given year, so I will take 28 days month only. Okay, we will take 28 days. Next, tell me when we can afford that maximum number of Sundays and Mondays. How we can align the maximum number of Sundays and Mondays? For example, if I assume that my first starts with Sunday, we will take first starts with some Sunday. What will happen? When we will have my next Sunday? On 8th. When I will have my next Sunday? On 15th. When I will have the next Sunday? On 22nd. When I can have 29. But the days which I have taken is only 28. So up to here it is possible for me. Okay, first Sunday, 8th Sunday, 15th Sunday. For example, if I take any other date, first as Monday, we will check both the possibilities and then we will decide, students. If first is Monday, when I will have next Monday? On 8th I will have Monday. Next on 15th I will have Monday, and on 22 I will have Monday. Anyway, in worst case also these are the possibilities I have here. These are the possibilities. Anyway, I will get at max 4 Sundays. But what is the difference between this one and this one? Anyway, here what I will get here, 28th I will get Saturday. Here also I will get 28th as Saturday. There is no doubt in that. Okay. 4 Saturdays can be accommodated here and here, and 4 Sundays can be accommodated here and here. Now what they are telling, if second and fourth Saturdays and all the Sundays, that means how many days will be removed here? I will have 4 Sundays. I will have 4 Sundays and as well as 2 Saturdays. 2 Saturdays. That is second Saturday and fourth Saturday. Second Saturday I will have here and the fourth Saturday I will have here. So total I should delete how many days? 6 days. I should delete how many days? 6 days here. So out of 28, if I delete 6 days, what is the answer I will get here? 22. 22. See, students, there is a few may think that, sir, there is a possibilities of 5 Sundays also. Yes, I know there is a possibilities of getting 5 Sundays also. But what they are asking is a minimum number of possible working days of any month of any year. See, in the month of February, there is no chance of having 5 Sundays. Especially if it is a normal year. Why? Because any year, right? We should take consideration into any year, all the years. It should be satisfied for all the years. Because of that reason, I am taking February month as 28 days only. Usually you can take 29, but we are not going to do that one. The reason is it should be satisfied for all the years. So a minimum of 28 days is there for us. That is the reason I will take 22 as my final answer. Okay. Don't take 29 days in February or consider 31 days of a month or 30 days. We should take the minimum possibility. So our answer here becomes 22. Next one. Mr. X has 3 children. Okay. The birth of the first child falls on the 5th Monday of April. Okay. 5th Monday. Not date as 5th. 5th Monday of April. Okay. Next. Then that is the second one falls on 5th Thursday. 5th Thursday of November, okay. On which day the third child which will fall on 20th December. Now see here, to get 5th Monday in the month of April, to get 5th Monday. So when is the possibility, what are the possibilities which we will have? If the month starts with, if first is a Monday, April month have how many days for us? 30 days only. So if first is a Monday, when we can have the next Monday? 29, that is 5th Monday. 5th Monday we can have as at 29. So there is possibility for 29th of April. There is a possibility of 29th of April. Okay. 29th of April will be the 5th Monday. Okay. I will write it more clearly. 5th Monday is on 29th of April. 29th of April. Okay, good. If, for example, if second is a Monday, then also we have a possibility, students. If second is a Monday, second, this is date. First Monday is on 1st of April. 1st of April. Or else if first Monday is on 2nd of April. 2nd of April. Then also we can have the 5 Mondays in that one. What it is? 5th Monday will be on 30th of April. Only these two chances are there for us, right? To get 5th Monday in the month of April. Either we should get on 29th or the date of first children should be born on 30th of April. 30th of April. Now, see here, if I assume that the person's first child was born on 29th of April. Okay, first child was born on 29th of April. We will see. If 29th of April, according to the question is what? Monday. If 29th of April, according to the question is what? Monday for us. Now, what will be the 5th Thursday in the month of November? 5th Thursday, the same thing. November contains the same. So, same logic applies for November. So, when we can get the 5th Thursday means either we may get 5th Thursday on 29th of November or 30th of November. Either we get 29th of November or 30th of November. Anyways, there is a chance for both the days. Now we will check. If 29th of April is a Monday, now try to check what is 29th of November. What is 29th of November? We will consider here, students. See here in my last class while discussing, if you consider our given dates, be careful, else you can directly take. So, in the month of April, more how many days are left for me? 1. May, 31 days. June, 30 days. July, 31 days. Okay. August, what you will get? April, 1 more day is left for me. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November 29th. November 29th. So, what day will fall on November 29th? Add this one or else cancel the 7 sums. That is also fine for me. So, you will get 3 here, 2 here, 3 here, 3 here, 2 here, 3 here and 1 here. When I further cancel it, what I will get here? 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, it will be cancelled. Next 2, 2, it will become 4 and 3, it will get cancelled and I will be left with 4. Monday plus 4, what it becomes? Monday plus 4, it becomes Friday. It becomes Friday. So, that is not possible for me. 29 November will become Friday and what it becomes the next one? Next one will become 30th November will become what for me? Saturday. But what actually 29th or 30th November should become for us? Thursday. Should become Thursday for us. So, that is not the answer for us. So, 29th of April, considering it as Monday is not at all possible. For example, if I take 30th of April is a Monday. If I consider 30th of April is a Monday. So, now please check here what will happen for us. Now, it will be satisfied. So, in the month of April that one day will not be there for us. So, directly I will write anyway I already have written here 31, 31, 30, 31 and 29. Now, what will happen? We will see here. Here I will be left with 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3 and 1. So, 3, 3 and 1 it is get cancelled. Next 2, 2 and 3 it is get cancelled. Now, see here Monday plus 3 days. What it becomes? Thursday. So, that means if I consider my 30th of April as the first child birth, next my second child birth will be happen on what date? 29th of November. So, now 29th of November is Thursday. Okay, good. 29th of November is Thursday. Now, they are asking us which falls on 20th of December. If 29th of November is Thursday, what will be 20th of December? See, 29th is Thursday, 30 will become what? Friday. 1st of December becomes what for us here? 1st of December becomes Saturday. Saturday. Next, when I will have the next Saturday, 8th I will have next Saturday. When I will have my next Saturday, 15th I will have next Saturday. When I will have my next Saturday, 22nd will have Saturday. If 22nd is Saturday, what about 21? 21 will become what? Friday. 20 will become what? Thursday. So, our answer here will become what? Thursday. Thursday. So, these questions will take some time, but you will get a perfect answer, students. So first and foremost thing you should understand why I have taken 29th and 30th are only possibilities means 5th Monday. When the 5th Monday is possible in any month means if the month starts in the first 2 days. Anyway, this is 30 days month. So there is only possibilities for 2 days. For example, if this is a 31 days month, then there will be possibility for 3 days. First can be Monday, second can be Monday and third also can be Monday. So that by that also you will get 5 Mondays in that month. But here this month contains only 30 days. Because of that reason we will have only 2 possibilities for 5th Monday. One is 29th and the other one is 30th. Okay, and the same logic applies for November also. One is 29th and the other one is 30th. Why? Because same 30 days month only. So first should become what? Definitely Thursday. Then only 29th or 30th will become Thursdays for us. So we counted the number of days between them and then accordingly we solved our problem. Okay, next one. Sita and Geeta go for a swim after a gap of every 2 days and every 3 days respectively. Okay, Sita will go at a gap of 2 days and Geeta will go at a gap of 3 days. Okay, good. On the 1st January, both of them went for swimming together. Okay, when they will go together once again. See here, this is nothing but taking the LCM, right? Ringing the bell simultaneously. That case is there, right? We need to find the LCM. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? We will have 6 days. So that means for every 6 days, they both will meet together. Now see here, on 1st they are swimming together. So when they will swim once again on 7th. On 7th. Once again they will swim together on 7th. Take the LCMs. That's it. Very simple question. Next one. Which year has the calendar of the year 2009? 2009. This is a year which is immediately after leap year, right? Immediately after leap year I can use after how many years? 6 years. So 2009 calendar can once again be used in our which year? 2015. Can be used once again in 2015. While discussing the concept, we have seen this type of things. Okay, if you don't remember this +6 or if you have any confusion means already I told you, assume that if 1st of January 2009 is some Monday, then it should not be exactly Monday, assume it as Monday. Then what happens to 1st of January 2010? It will become Tuesday. Next 1st of January 2011 will become what? Wednesday. Next 1st of January 2012 will become, sir, leap year 2 days jump. No, February month is not yet crossed. So still we will have only 1 day jump. Next 1st of January 2013 will become what? Now we will have 2 days jump and it will become what? Saturday for us. Next 1st of January 2014 becomes what for us here? Sunday. So 1st of January 2015 once again becomes what for me? Monday. So this is a normal year. 2009 is a normal year. 2015 is also a normal year. That means I can use the calendar of 2009 once again in 2015. 2015. So with the concept you can do in this manner, or else if you remember the technique also you can write the answer. So 2009 plus 6 it will become 2015. 15. Next one. Which day is 10th October 2027? Okay, 10th October 2027 we need to find what day will fall on this one. So 2027, 10th of October, already we know what to do. 2027 falls under which century? 2000 to 2001 to 2100. So what is the century code? 0, already we have seen just now. So in the same year already how many years are completely finished? 26 years and 10th of October. 10th of October. So in 26 years how many leap years and how many non-leap years I will have here? We will have 6 leap years. We will have 6 leap years. 6 leap years and 20 normal years. And 10th of October. So leap years means 2 odd days, so 12. Normal years means 1 odd day, so directly 20 plus 2027. It is a normal year. So February contains only 28 days. So I will write the month codes from here. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September and 10th of October, so I will write directly October. I will not write the month code for October. Why? Because October is not finished, so 10th of October I will write 10. Now similarly you can cancel that sum of 7 sum you can cancel. So see here what I can do. See here 2 I will take here and 14 it will become and 21. So overall this sum will become 7 multiple and I can cancel that. Next similarly see here 2, 2 and 3, 7 sum it will be cancelled. Next 3, 3 and 3 I will be left with 2. Okay. Next see here 2, 2, 4 plus 10 it will become 14. 14 means what? 0. So at last overall everything will be cancelled and now my answer here becomes what? Sunday. My answer here becomes what? Sunday. Or else add everything students and you will get a value, definitely a multiple of 7. So once again when you divide it with 7, what is the remainder? You will get 0. So your answer here becomes Sunday. Your answer here becomes Sunday. Next one. If in a particular year 12th January is a Sunday, then which one of the following is correct? Okay. 12th January is what they are telling us here is Sunday. Okay. 12th Jan is Sunday. And what they are telling, if they are speaking about 15th or 12th of July, right? And a normal year and a leap year. We will try to find one for normal year and one for leap year, and accordingly we will try to write our final answer, and accordingly we will. Now see here, if 12th Jan, for example, I will assume it as a leap year and I will assume it as a normal year. Okay, 12th January Sunday. So in the same month, how many days are left for me? More 19 days, 19. February 29, leap year, right? March will become what for me? March, April, May, June and July 15th. Directly I will write 15, July 15th. We will check. And normal year we will have one lesser day than this. So by finding this we can write the answer for this one. So as usual 7 sum I will try to cancel here. I will get 5 as remainder. I will get 1 as remainder. I will get 3 as remainder. I will get 2 as remainder. I will get 3, 2 and 1. Now once again 5 and 2, 7 sum I can cancel it. 3, 3 and 1 I will get 7 sum and it will become what? 3. 3 means what? Sunday plus 3. Sunday plus 3 means what? 0 plus 3 it will become what? Wednesday. It is becoming what? Wednesday for me. So 15th is Wednesday. But according to the question, that is, this one is not given for us. So if it is a normal year, we will have 1 day lesser. If it is a normal year, we will have 1 day less, and Wednesday will become what? Instead of Wednesday, it will become what? Tuesday. So then also 15th of July is not, this one is also not possible. Next see here, if 15th is Wednesday, right? If 15th is Wednesday, what about 14th? Tuesday. What about 13th? Monday. What about 12th? What about 12th? It will become Sunday. So 12th July is Sunday if it is a leap year. That is satisfied, right? 12th July is Sunday if it is a leap year. Yes, that our answer here becomes what? 12. So calculate for 1, that is enough. So 12th July will become a Sunday if it is a leap year. If it is a leap year, that will be satisfied here for us. Okay. Right. Next one. If a month in a year starts with Monday, okay, then the date of the 4th day after the second Saturday in that month will be, okay. See, first is what? If a month of the year starts with Monday, that means first of that month is Monday. Okay, good. When we will have the next Monday? On 8th. When we will have the next Monday? On 15th. Okay, up to here it is required for this question, so I am writing up to here. Okay, next day, then the date of the 4th day after second Saturday. 4th day after second Saturday. See here, the first Saturday I will get here. Am I correct? 7th will be, so not 7th, if 8th is Monday, when I will have my first Saturday, 6th will be my first Saturday. 6th will be my first Saturday. So 6 plus 7 what I will have? 13th will be my second Saturday. 13th is second Saturday. Okay, so 13th is second Saturday. Okay, next they are asking us 4th day. 4th day. So 14th will become first day, 15th will become second day, 16th will become third day, and 17th will become what for me? 4th day. 17th. 13th is second Saturday, 17th will become the 4th day for me here. 17th will become the 4th day here. Okay, so 13th is second Saturday, 1, 2, 3 and 4th day will become what? 17th. 4th day will become 17th. Next, from January 1st, 2021, the price of petrol on mth day of the year is 80 plus, okay, mth day is 80 plus 0.1 m, where m is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 100 and thereafter remains constant. That means up to 100 days, every day it will be increased by 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. But after 100 days, it will come to a stagnation period. That means it will not be changed. It remains as that value only. Whatever the rate which was there in the 100th day, the same day rate will be there throughout the duration of that month, year, sorry. Next. On the other hand, the price of the diesel on the nth day of 2021 is 69 plus 0.15 n for any n. That means it will be increasing throughout the year. Okay, the price will be changed throughout the 365 days or 366 days and 365 days. Why? Because it is 2021, right? It is a normal year, 365 days. Next, on which date in the year 2021 the price of these two fuels will be equal? The price of these two fuels will be equal. Now see here students, for example, if this condition is not given for time being, how we are going to solve this one means 80 plus 0.1 m should be equal to, at some point of time, should be equal to what according to the given question? 69 plus 0.15 n. At some point of time, these two things should be equal. So here you can write the relation between m and n actually. If you are really good, you can write the relation between m and n. But what happens to this one is, see here, that means that price difference, when you compare this as a police and thief case, when you compare this, see here, what is the change from this price to this price in one day? What is the difference in the price from this one to 69 less 0.15 n in one day? In one day, what will be the change? Tell me students. In one day, the change will be 0.05. That means every day 0.05 will be increased. So to acquire this 0.05, it is taking what? The diesel is taking 1 day. So from 69 to 80, to become from 69 to 80, usually the diesel price difference is how much? 11. So to compensate this 11 rupees, it will take how many days? It will take how many days? That is the actual logic behind that, without any this condition. So in that case is what we are going to do? We will multiply this. Assume it as some x days. X into 0.05 should be equal to 11 into 1, which will become 11. Now what happens here? X is equal to 11 by 0.05. So which in turn becomes what? 1100 by 5. 1100 by 5, and you can say that 220. 220. That means after 220 days, the price of both the fuels will be equal. If this condition is not there, but in this case we have a condition. Is the price is increasing throughout 220 days? No. The price is increasing up to only 100 days. The price is increasing up to 100 days. So keeping that thing in logic, that means M will reach, the petrol price will come to stagnation by 220 days, right? So first of all, please find out what is the stagnation price of my petrol here. Okay. So what is the maximum value of M we can take here? 100. So maximum price of petrol will become what for me here? 80 plus 0.1 into 100. Why? Because M value maximum I can take it as 100. So now what happens to this? 80 plus 10, which will become what? 90 rupees. So maximum petrol will go to 90 rupees and our diesel should touch this 90 rupees. That is the logic here. Okay. So therefore, diesel should touch 90 rupees, then both the prices will be equal. Both the prices will be equal. Okay. So see here students, in one day, diesel increases by how much? 0.15 rupees. In one day, diesel increases by 0.15 rupees. From 69 to 90, what is that price difference for me? 21 rupees, right? To gain 21 rupees, it will take how many days? It will take how many days? To get 0.15 rupees, diesel will take 1 day. So diesel now should gain how many rupees? 21 rupees. To gain 21 rupees, it will take how many days? Cross multiply these two things. So what I will get here? 21 is equal to 0.15 into some x. Assume this as some x. Now see here students, what happens to my x? 2100 by 15. Now 15 ones are 15 ones are 15. So I will be left with 6040. That means how many days it will take? 140 days. It takes 140 days to match the petrol price with the diesel price. Petrol price with the diesel price. Now add 140 days to this January. In the January month, more how many days are left for me? 29 days. February only 28 days. March, how many days we will be left here? 31 days. Okay, sorry, January 30, right? Sorry, here I have 30 days. 30. January 1st is a Monday, students. January 1st is a Monday. So keep that thing in your mind. In the same month, how many days are left for me? 30. February, March and April. April will become what? April also 119 it becomes. Okay. And then as usual 21. So 21st May. Anyway, the same answer. Okay. Right. In this manner, we are going to get our answer here. Actually, up to here it is 89. When I add 30, that is April month, it will become 119. So 21st of May. 21st of May will be our answer here. Right. Try to understand this logic. Okay. Why it is becoming stagnation also I told you. If this logic is not given, the two prices should match after 220 days. But here there is a stagnation period. So maximum petrol price can go up to only 90. So diesel price to go to 90, how many days it will take? That is the logic here. Next one. If today is Sunday, then which day is exactly 10 to the power of 10 days? 10th day. If today is Sunday, what is the day after 10 to the power of 10 days? See here students, what we will do usually, we will divide it with 7. We will divide it with 7. Right? Am I correct? So now please be careful whenever you are doing this type of cases. Okay. Please be careful while solving the problem. So 10 power 10 by 7. You can find the remainder using the help of remainder theorem. Remainder theorem you can do, or else by using some other concept. By using remainder theorem means what is the remainder I will get? I tell the remainder for this one. According to remainder theorem, I can write this as 3 power 10 by 7. I can write this as 3 power 10 by 7. Next, when I divide 3 power 10 by 7, what is the remainder I will get? Once again, take the multiples, these, that and everything we need to do, and it will take a lot of time for us. Instead of that, what my suggestion is here, directly try to find the remainder. So 10 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 by 7. 10 by 7. Okay. So now please try to divide it. What you will get here? 10 by 7. What is the remainder? 3. Next 30. Remainder will become 2. Next 20 it will become, remainder becomes 6. Next 60 means remainder becomes 4. Next 40 means remainder becomes 5. Next remainder becomes 1. Next it becomes what? 3. Okay. 30 means it will become 2. Next it will become what? 6. And at last remainder will become what? 4 for me. So when I divide this with 7, the remainder for me is what? 4. The remainder is 4. So please see here students, if today is Sunday, and what will be the exactly day? So Sunday, first day will become what for me? Monday. Next second will become what for me? Tuesday. Third will become Wednesday. And what is that day only? Okay, anyway, we are considering today as Sunday, right? So exactly 10 power 10th day. Please be careful students. So this will be our first day. We should consider today as Sunday only. Okay. And the next 7 multiples plus 7 will be also Sunday. So because of that reason, please be careful students. Many of you will think that the answer is Thursday, but that is not correct. That is not correct. Please be careful. If today is Sunday, we should consider from today as this is first, second day from today, third day and fourth day. What it becomes for me? Sunday. Okay. Thursday will be our answer here. Thursday will be our answer for this question. Thursday will be our answer for this question. Please be careful with this type of things. Okay. Remainder is 4. Remainder is 4, but we should also consider Sunday as our first day. Okay. next one. Right? With this, we finished our clock calendars concept, students. In our next session, we will see some of the questions, especially clocks and calendars together. Okay? Right? Thank you very much. We will see in the next session. Thank you.